In this demonstration, I will show how the SentinelOne agent will detect and prevent an attack utilizing an exploit for the CVE 2017-0199 vulnerability. The version of the agent being tested was released before the vulnerability was publicly known, while it was still considered a zero-day. This attack delivers the Dridex Trojan through a malicious email attachment. First, I will show the attack from beginning to end with the SentinelOne agent configured to alert-only mode. This mode will allow the threat to continue running even after being detected. I will then rerun the attack in quarantine mode to demonstrate how SentinelOne will detect and kill the threat as it would in a production environment. Because the attacker's machine is offline, I am using Fiddler as a web proxy to serve the malicious files that would normally be accessible if the attacker's machine were still alive. I am also using Process Monitor to record the process creation events during the attack. The attack begins when a malicious RTF file that was sent as an email attachment is opened. Once Microsoft Word has finished loading the initial RTF file, it will soon close and a second document will open. Notice that the SentinelOne agent has detected a threat. At this point, the Dridex malware is downloaded and running. We can see this in the process monitor logs. This process is the initial Word document that was opened. This MSHTA process was the second stage of the exploit. This task kill is what killed the original Word document that was opened. This SVC host right here is actually the Dridex malware. And this WinWord right here is the decoy document that was opened after the attack was done. We can see in the network connections that a document was downloaded. And for the exploit to work correctly, the content type of this document must be application HTA. This is where the Dridex sample was downloaded. And this sample.doc is the decoy document that was opened after the attack. I will now rerun the attack, but this time the SentinelOne agent is configured to quarantine mode. In quarantine mode, when a threat is detected, all files associated with that threat will be quarantined and all processes associated with that threat will be killed. As we can see, the SentinelOne agent has detected a threat. The document has been quarantined. And the process logs, we can see the initial Word process has been killed. And the first stage of the exploit has been killed. In Fiddler, we can see that the attack was stopped before the Dridex malware was even downloaded.